Good afternoon, and welcome to the Media Center. I'm Mr. Smith, your guibrarian. Today, you'll be taking part in a flipped lesson to introduce you to the Big Six research model. Research can be a very daunting task, but by the end of today's lesson, I feel certain you'll have a better grasp on ways to make yourself a better researcher. The standards we will be using today are the Texas State Standard Principles of Information Technology, 130.302, B3, which focuses on student-enhancing reading, writing, computing, communication, and reasoning skills, and applying them to the information technology environment. The IDSE standard, Knowledge Constructor 3A, which states students should be able to critically curate a variety of resources using digital tools to construct knowledge, produce creative artifacts, and make meaningful learning experiences for themselves and others, and employ effective research strategies to locate information and other resources for their intellectual and creative pursuits. The Common Core Standard, CCSS ELA Literacy, WHST 68, requires that students gather relevant information from multiple print and digital sources, using search terms effectively, assess the credibility and accuracy of each source, and quote or paraphrase the data and conclusions of others while avoiding plagiarism, and following a standard format for citation. Finally, the AASL standards for 21st century learners, where learners engage with new knowledge by following a process that includes devising and implementing a plan to fill knowledge gaps. Today's objectives include gaining an understanding of the Big Six model of research, being able to know the differences between the Big Six stages and substages. There are 2 substages for each stage. And building enough knowledge of the Big Six model that you feel comfortable enough to begin your own research using this model. Why, I thought you'd never ask. Yes, you will be taking a short mini pre-assessment dealing with the vocabulary associated with each stage. After the lesson, your English teacher may have you take a post-assessment, so take the test seriously. It may help you in the future. During the flipped lesson, you will be using a blend space of interactive digital mashup of websites, documents, YouTube videos, and interactive quizzes. I've also created a note catcher, which includes all the steps and sub-steps. You can use this to refer to while you do your research, and as a place to take notes and a place to store your new knowledge. The back of the note catcher has 5 awesome Big Six resources for you to check out. Ready? Let's get started.